Introducing the 55-inch indoor LCD digital Signage display designed for effortless installation and long-lasting performance. Two people can easily mount and secure the screen in just minutes, saving time and reducing labor costs. The high-brightness LCD panel delivers vibrant colors and crystal-clear visuals. The back has a well-designed layout with power interface and motherboard and an efficient heat dissipation panel to ensure long-term stable operation. Perfect for DOOH, media networks, retail stores, and shopping malls. This 55-inch indoor advertising screen is your go-to solution for AD digital signage.